So hey guys, what's going on? I just changed one of my tires because I had a slow leak, so I just got a new one. So now I'm at the supermarket picking up a few things, and then today, let's see, I'm gonna clean the kitchen. My countertops came, yay, my countertops came, so I'm gonna clean a little bit, maybe pack the cabinets and clean the living room, dining area. So come along with me and let's see what we can get into today. Oh, do me a favor, hit the subscribe and like this video. Welcome to all my new subscribers and whoever is pending. Don't just watch the video, like it and watch till the end. Subscribe. All right, let's go. So I have a list. Let's see if I'm gonna stick to the list. Some grapes. Hey guys, so I just came back from the supermarket. As you can see, I got my counters yesterday. I'm still waiting for the faucet to be installed, so I think they're coming Monday to do that, and also the backsplash. So when they do everything, then I'll show it to you all. But anyways, let's see what we got from the supermarket.
Get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who's stopping?
And also we got a bag of chicken. So that's what I got from the supermarket. So now I'm gonna clean, pack away everything, and stay tuned.
I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you trying to tease with them bitches. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's been a fool that when I'm with them other bitches, I'm pretending to. You work at clothes, you in dental school. Watching how you fucking clothes, put them in a tube. Young killer, girl, I know this pay me too. It's only right that I swing by and get it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. I know these other niggas Thursday, but please never entertain them, cause they will hurt me. You feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I gave it all for fancy. Is anybody gonna help me? If I go tonight, I die for the change. I just pray they don't forget my name. If I can't lose, I can't lose. It's all said and done, but I'll still be cool. Man, diamond, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much I'm so proud of. I'm in it, compliment my closet. I'm on the floor, I don't give a fuck about it. My opposition wish I stopped smiling. My family wish I stopped buying. I'm on the east side smoking with my OGs. They the only ones that really know me. I was fucking superstars when I was 19. Do we did you on the TV? Wanna make it turn up with the roses. Only one that can hold for you. Everybody see you. Throw some blunts and hit her once and now she need you. I didn't wanna beat it. They don't know if I need it. I feel like dying every season. I've been swimming in the deep end. All my bitches know I'm leaving. Some of the reason. Don't try giving me reasons to stop. Don't try giving me reasons. Nah. Don't try giving me reasons to stop.
See my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you, 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 running back to you.
I'll be there if anybody's so sick, sick and great. Pass out, I give it dick, dick. Can't wait to be money like click, click. Be the heart beat to my heart, though. My heart is ready, body so sick, sick and great. Pass out, I give it.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my
You ready for this so sick, sick and great. Pass out, I give it dick, dick. Can't reach up in money like click, click. Be the honey beat to my heart, oh. My honey beat to my heart. Your hands smell like a tropical body. One fuck down, we gotta go twice. I'm here for you, just to be with your eyes. To mix up the drama. To mix up the drama, to free my mind. Jealous people around me, I need to change my language. I just get older every time I try.
Damn, this little motherfucker gave me a hard time. But I did it. It's for cans. Oh my god.
They say she get it from her mama. I'm afraid you got it right. Body think it's doing polite. Don't be in the home with life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go road tonight. I was like, you just did the right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memory I've ever made in my life. I'm in an ecstasy. The waves of pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Living another time. I put that on my
I'm packing out is all the stuff that was packed away when the contractors was here doing the kitchen. So now I have to take them out of the boxes, clean them up, and pack them back inside these pantry and the cupboard. So that's what you see me doing. So I have boxes of stuff that I have to bring from the dining area into the kitchen. So stay tuned.
The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frame. Whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the nines, breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since he's times. Niggas be full of excuses, after they taking their time.
So let me just finish up and try to get a little organization, and then I'll come back to you guys. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if you got this far. So give me a second, I'll be back. All right.
But these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. But I don't see I'm the lowest of the lowest. But then you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need to get the fuck on my space. You choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows shit.
Honestly, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But it's even pinky, but like nobody knows you. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows thinking I'm a robot. I'm so strange that we on the first class bed. Don't work my nerves, you know I can bore it. Fucking we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk, but you know not to win. So strong, but I been you. Poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out to choose a balance. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even honestly, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But we can keep it like nobody knows. Even honestly, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But we can keep it like nobody knows shit.
I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I think about it from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself tonight. Stop right thousand times. I'll keep regret just when you house me. After all the right things I've done,
It just was the wrong day. Thank God you came. How many more